My passion was riding, and I learned riding at a very early stage. And whenever I used to go to my village, I used to have my hands on the bikes. I continued riding also in my college days. Initially, I started with the small breakfast rides, and then slowly I had an interest. I started going places with the help of my 1 or 2 friends. And this interest or this passion took me a long way, and which helped me to found Women on Wheels Motor Training School. I am Amruta Dhanaji Mane, founder of Women on Wheels and Wow Deliveries. I have a team of 4 girls as instructors. The USP of Women on Wheels is that we only have women instructors and everything is managed by women. Initially, I started with 1 client at a day, 2 clients at a day, but right now, at the current situation, we have almost 40 students at an institution throughout the month. There are many women in our society who are just looking out for a women instructors but are unable to find one. So I came up with this concept called as Women on Wheels, and then slowly and steadily I came up with my first event called as Women on Wheels She Can Ride Season 1, where we had almost 300 plus women at our women rally. So all these women were on their own scooty and bike. So every year on Women's Day, that is 8th March, we have this event called as She Can Ride. So we have completed all 3 seasons and soon coming with the 4th season. And just like all people went into a bad setback of a pandemic, similarly even Women on Wheels had been through it. I had my own office in the month of December 2019, but I had to give a break because of the pandemic. So I had my many liabilities into my hand. I had the rent, I had the employees' salaries along with me, and in the month of May, my own employees were behind me that what next? All of the 4 months of the lockdown, I tried coming up with many ideas. Ideas as in selling vegetables, selling milk, going door to door and selling few of the items which are only working during the pandemic. So one thing came into my mind that I wanted to have one sector coming out which will be working or 24/7 on whatever happens. There are many people in the society, just the older ones if we could specify. Many people right now are at home, they don't have their son or their daughter to help them. Many people have stuck at n number of places. So why not start a delivery service which could be of a help to this society where the elder ones need our help. So then I came up with this concept called as Wow Deliveries. Initially, I started with my own employees, my own women who were earlier the instructors of Women on Wheels, and I took those employees and started Wow Deliveries. So initially, I started with door-to-door services where people might need some medicines from the medical shop, or they wanted to take their passbook and go to the bank, update it and then come back. And then many hotels came to us and they had a collaboration with us. The in-house deliveries of the respective hotels were done by Wow Deliveries. When Wow Deliveries was growing, eventually the other hotels also came up with their own delivery services and they collaborated with Wow Deliveries because they were falling short of the laborers, and that is what Wow Deliveries provided them. So Wow Deliveries initially was only women-centric delivery service, but then we also started recruiting men when we came to know that many of the men in the society also had left with no job. Initially, I started with only 4 people at our delivery service, and we only did the deliveries in the radius from Worli to Mahim. And now we are delivering it pan Mumbai. Currently, we are delivering it from western side to Jogeshwari. From central, we are delivering it till Vikhroli and complete South Bombay. So during the lockdown, since this was the necessity of the society, as many people were really scared coming out of the house, that time it was a boom for Wow Deliveries to reach many people. But then I thought that when everything comes into normal, when all the people will start going out for their jobs, obviously some or the other way the delivery are going to reduce. So then I came up with the other idea, as we all know that we have various self-help groups, Mahila Bachat Gat that we say. So I collaborated with them, many of the Bachat Gats, and they have many materials that they want delivered, but they personally can't go or they cannot afford the charges that other aggregators are using. So they collaborated with Wow Deliveries, and now we have a set of many Bachat Gats. This is how I have changed my perspective of the Wow Deliveries that we had during the lockdown and post the lockdown. In business, you always have to upgrade yourself. The pandemic really taught me that you really need to have a financial backup at least, so that when you want to come out of it for a new idea, you can have that financial support of yourself.